Hello folks, Wes here. Welcome to 2026, and we have in a Peugeot camper. Customer had the original radio but wanted an upgrade, so we've given him the KENWOOD flagship. This now has Apple and Android wirelessly plus a USB, so if your phone is low it can charge it for you. Customer has also opted for a few other little bits. He wanted a rear camera and a front camera. So in this case we're able to keep the factory reverse camera working through the KENWOOD, but we've added a front cam. So when we come out now, he's actually got a front cam as well. When we go back into the unit, we've actually got control here for front and rear if he wants it on in the side. Can't really fault it. Brilliant bit of kit. We've also done some parking sensors, some rear parking sensors, and we've added a front and rear dash cam as well. So yeah, if something like this interests you, give us a ring. This now comes with a 3-year warranty, as long as it's fitted by a proper dealer. So we're based in Cardiff, so if you're around the Wales area, come and see us. My name's Waz, it's B&B Audio Concepts, and see you soon. Thank you for watching.